Imagine a place where time stops and light cannot escape. Welcome to the point of no return, the event horizon. The event horizon is a mysterious boundary around a black hole. Cross it, and nothing can come back, not even light. Think of it as the ultimate cosmic border. Once you cross this line, escape is physically impossible. The event horizon marks where a black hole's gravity becomes so strong that nothing can fight its pull. At the event horizon, the escape velocity equals the speed of light. Even light itself can't race away fast enough. If light tries to leave from just inside this boundary, it gets trapped forever, swallowed by the black hole. In 1916, physicist Carl Schwarzschild described this invisible sphere with the first exact solution to Einstein's equations. His equations showed that black holes aren't just science fiction. They're real objects shaped by gravity and the warping of spacetime. A black hole warps spacetime so extremely that every path, even for light, bends inward past the event horizon. No matter how fast something travels, the event horizon marks a point where escape is no longer possible. Imagine boating on a wide river toward a massive waterfall. There's a point where no engine can save you. Before that point, you still have control, but cross it and you're inevitably pulled over the edge. The event horizon works the same way. It's the cosmic edge, the ultimate boundary you must never cross. Once you cross the event horizon, all paths lead deeper in. There's no turning back, only darkness and mystery ahead. What happens if you fall in? Will you be stretched like spaghetti? Subscribe and discover the fate that awaits inside.